stay here. The staff are accommodation excellent. Lovely place to stay. The apartment was well equipped, and the staff were so friendly. They were in a great location, only a few minutes walk to all attractions, and parking was 5 minutes away also. Bed could have been more comfortable, however hubby slept well, so probably that's just me. Would we stay again? Absolutely. Highly recommended stay in Liverpool. The apartment is located at the heart of Liverpool city centre, and it's within walking distance to Liverpool One shopping mall. The facilities are excellent and the staff are friendly and helpful. Terlon serviced apt review. Stayed for 3 nights. The shower was really good, location was incredibly handy, and we got to wash our clothes in the machine provided. Central, clean, but noisy. The space was great for the 2 of us and had all the amenities you need, including a washing machine. It was roomy, clean, and some would say the location is perfect since it's smack right in the middle of central Liverpool. However, that would also be one of its faults, as the music from the pubs/bars below could be heard and it didn't stop even after 2 a.m. But luckily I'm a heavy sleeper, so it didn't bother me much. Great location. Great location, beautiful ones inside. Room small, but had everything you need. Our description said on-site parking, which there isn't, but management are getting that out right with all the different accommodation agents. Lovely staff. Excellent. Great location and place is clean, only grumble shower was not the best. Great location and facilities. Great location for exploring Liverpool and exceptionally close to the Cavern Quarter. Apartment had everything you needed and the staff were very helpful when the washing machine had an issue. Lots of communication to ensure easy check-in. Parking is in a public car park about 150 meters away. Great stay. Great location, lovely apartments, towels, hairdryer, ironing board, kitchen facilities, TV, everything you need. The lady on reception who checked us in was lovely and very helpful, as were the other 2 members of staff who were there through the evening and next morning. Definitely would stay again. Excellent location. Great place to stay. Room okay. Mattress very uncomfortable, but for 1 night, bearable. Best location, emo. Lots of different room types. Staff helpful. Clean and comfy. Brilliant location. Had a blast.